Hello, my name is Alan. I am a boating enthusiast on the inland waterways of Great Britain. On this channel you can follow the restoration of my 18-foot 1973 Relcraft cabin cruiser. You can follow me on my journeys on the canals and rivers of Great Britain, and you can join me as I explore boating related places. I regularly upload videos from 7 o'clock UK time on Saturday mornings. Please press the subscription button on the bottom right hand side of the screen on your mobile phone or tablet, which is displayed throughout my videos. Please press the bell icon on the channel homepage and you will be notified by YouTube each time I release a new video. Please feel free to share any of my videos and give a thumbs up and make any comments below, as I do enjoy reading them and I will respond to each and every one of them. So do enjoy my videos, which are listed with the newest ones at the top and the oldest ones at the bottom.
Take a step into the river, where you will find peace. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight. Oh yeah, I will when you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. I will fight, yeah. Unto the water, where you will find peace. Take a step into the river and get down on your